Ever wondered why losing weight seems as difficult as climbing Mount Everest? The path to a slimmer, healthier you is often fraught with challenges. The motivation to get started might elude you, or perhaps the temptation to overeat proves too strong. Maybe you're unsure where to begin, or you've started but the results are inconsistent. These hurdles can make the journey feel like a steep uphill climb. But what if there was a simpler, more effective way to shed those pounds? Introducing a step-by-step guide that can help transform your weight loss journey. Let's start with the first step, setting realistic goals. Aiming for the stars is great, but it's important to keep your feet on the ground when it comes to weight loss. Start small and gradually aim higher. This could mean losing a pound or two per week, or simply cutting out that extra snack each day. Moving on to step 2, creating a balanced diet plan. Remember, this isn't about starving yourself. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your diet. And yes, it's all right to occasionally indulge in your favorite treats. Moderation is key. Step 3 involves incorporating regular exercise into your routine. This doesn't necessarily mean spending hours at the gym. Start with something you enjoy, be it dancing, cycling, or even brisk walking. The goal is to get moving and keep your heart rate up. Next, step 4. Maintaining consistency and tracking progress. Weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Keeping a journal of your food intake and exercise can help you stay accountable and observe patterns. Lastly, step 5. Celebrating small victories along the way. Every pound lost, every healthy choice made is a victory. Celebrate these moments. They're proof that you're making progress and getting closer to your goal. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your weight loss journey is no different. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned. We started off by understanding the challenges of weight loss. It's not just about shedding pounds, but also about overcoming mental hurdles and building a healthier lifestyle. We then moved on to a step-by-step guide that can help us conquer these challenges. This guide is not a quick fix, but a journey of consistent efforts. It involves making smart food choices, incorporating regular exercise into our daily routine, and maintaining a positive mindset. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about taking small, steady steps towards a healthier you. Weight loss is a journey, and it's important to celebrate each milestone, however small. With the right attitude and tools, weight loss doesn't have to be an uphill battle. Start today and watch as you transform into a healthier, happier version of yourself.